Berlin loves you and wants you to visit. The German capital is trying to lure back tourists with a mass dinner for 3,000 people. In other parts of the city, officials are also turning to entertainment as part of a campaign. But this one's about avoiding the spread of COVID-19 and getting people vaccinated.
I think I'm curious also about the party, and also I want to get the vaccine.
Germany is desperate to get Europe's biggest economy going again, while also trying to avert a fourth wave, which experts warn is already approaching.
We are facing the dilemma of having, on the one hand, a certain vaccine protection for risk groups and the elderly, but on the other hand, not enough to prevent others from getting infected. That's why we have to expect a fourth wave, and it will arrive.
The question now is how bad it will be. New cases have been steadily rising every day over the past weeks, with the Delta variant making up 91% of all new infections. At the same time, the pace of vaccinations has been slowing. Just over half of Germany's 83 million people are fully vaccinated. That's far short of the country's 80% target to achieve herd immunity. It leaves officials in disagreement over what the right response is now. Ahead of a coronavirus summit on Tuesday of state and federal government leaders, lawmakers had their own ideas of how to either persuade or pressure people to get inoculated. Health Minister Jens Spahn wanted to go as far as offering special rights to the vaccinated. But the majority of lawmakers have instead decided on ending free tests for those without shots by October the 11th. The tests are still needed to get into public spaces, such as restaurants, and could soon cost up to $35 each. There's one thing state leaders agree on.
Many people are worried that everything will start from scratch. And I'm telling you, we want to, have to, and will prevent another lockdown.
Weeks ahead of national elections, the Christian Democrats' Chancellor candidate Armin Laschet and his fellow state leaders want to avoid both unpopular restrictions and being accused of repeating the mistakes of last year. And that's by boosting the vaccination rate, whether by the carrot or the stick. Sibel Karkus, TRT World, Berlin.